Hi, we're with Spiral Binding, and we're going to be asking Chris a few questions about how the business is run. Hi, Chris.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. What I'd like to know a couple of things about it. For the finishing area in a facility, what kind of services do you provide for that?
So we provide the products and supplies, the equipment and supplies for any sort of document finishing. So after the sheet's printed, what are you doing to it? Are you punching it, binding it, laminating, UV coating, doing any other sort of document finishing? That's where we come in.
Okay, I know you're East Coast based and you have a distributed sales force. How do they support the sale itself once it's been done?
So we do have national service as well. So we have a number of our own service technicians, and then we use service networks as well to support our end users.
Okay, and does this include parts replacement and super emergency?
Yep, parts, service contracts, so if you need anything on an ongoing basis, we can also support that as well.
Okay, so what are the sectors of the printing industry that you tend to service the most, or your target markets?
So we do a lot of business with commercial printers, implant print shops, trade binderies. You name the vertical market, we've done business with them at some level. But yeah.
Okay. So in doing that, what kind of skill sets are required within a particular facility that's taken up your equipment to be able to successfully use it on an ongoing basis?
Some equipment is certainly a lot more complex, so it helps to have people who are trained in the industry and are skilled tradesmen. Others we have that are simple enough, a 6-year-old could run the equipment.
Okay, fair enough.
Not that I'd recommend it, but.
Well, they're going to run out and hire 6-year-olds because
Sure.
they're at a lower labor rate. So one of the things that's interesting about it, I see that you do laminating. What are the the biggest growth area for you in all the different things? You have several different product lines. What's the one that's right now your biggest trend?
Within the product lines, laminating is certainly a major one, especially as of recently, having the ability to preserve documents and be able to clean them and maintain them from there. Laminating has certainly been a big one overall. But when it comes to a lot of the different COVID protocols, people were utilizing it for, say, floor graphics and things like that. So you would need something that was capable and safe to walk on without any sort of slip hazard. And then also was able to maintain the graphic quality over time.
Excellent. And in terms of other types of finishing, what other types of equipment that you have that would service a shop? What's their lifespan for those different products?
For the different types of equipment, it can vary depending on how well it's maintained. But ultimately, it also depends on the equipment as well.
Okay. Thanks very much, Chris. That was good.